Hi viewers, warm welcome to my classroom. Today you are going to learn about The Rat Trap by Selma Lagerlof. Let us move to the classroom. Let us know about the author. Selma Lagerlof was a Swedish writer whose stories have been translated into many languages. The story is set in the middle of the mines of Sweden, which are rich in iron ore. The story is narrated in the manner of a fairy tale. It uses the message that the emotions of love and acceptance can reform others. Hope you followed. The title at a glance. The rat trap is a metaphor to highlight the human predicament. Just as a rat is fooled by a bait and gets trapped, most human beings are likely to fall into the trap of material benefits. Most human beings are likely to fall into the trap of material benefits. Hope you followed. Now, let us look at the theme. The theme of the story is that most human beings are prone to fall into the trap of material benefit. However, every human being has an essential goodness that can be awakened through understanding and love. A human being has the tendency to redeem himself from dishonest ways. Hope you followed. Now let us have a look at the setting. This story is set amidst the mines of Sweden, rich in iron ore, which figure large in the history of that country. The story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale. Hope you followed. Now let us pay attention on characters. First one, a peddler with rat traps. Second one, an old man, a crafter. Third one, owner of Ramsö Iron Mill. Fourth one, Edla Wilmanson, daughter of the iron mill owner. Hope you followed. Now let us move to the lesson. Peddler, seller of small rat traps. Once upon a time, there was a peddler who went around selling rat traps. It was not a profitable business. Sometimes he had to resort to begging and petty thievery to survive. His clothes were in rags. His cheeks were sunken. He had hungry eyes. He considered that the whole world around him was nothing but a big rat trap. All riches and joys are just baits. Hope you followed. Peddler with old crafter. One day, the peddler knocked at the door of a cottage to take night shelter there. A lonely old man, a crafter, offered him shelter and supper. They played Zorros. The old man got up and went to the window. He took down a leather pouch hanging on a nail and stuffed 3 wrinkled 10-krona notes in it. The next morning, both of them left the cottage at the same time. But the peddler came back after half an hour. He went to the window and smashed a pane. He took out the 30 kroners from the pouch and went away. He turned off the road into the forest to avoid being noticed. He was trapped inside the forest. Hope you followed. Peddler's meeting with Ironmaster. It was late in December. Darkness had already spread its wings over the forest. Finally, he sank down on the ground, tired to death. All of a sudden, he heard the thumping sound of hammer strokes coming from an iron mill. He gathered all his strength and dragged himself to the mill. He entered the forge and stood close to the furnace to warm himself. The ironmaster came on his usual nightly rounds of inspection. He walked close to the peddler and mistook him as his old comrade, Captain Von Stale. The peddler said nothing. The ironmaster invited the peddler to the manor house. The peddler refused to go to the ironmaster's house. Hope you followed. Edla Wilmanson persuades the peddler. Edla Wilmanson, daughter of ironmaster, came to the forge to persuade him. She was kind and friendly, that the peddler felt confidence in her, and went to the manor house. The next day was Christmas Eve. The peddler was given a bath. A servant cut his hair and shaved him. He was dressed in a suit that belonged to the ironmaster. The ironmaster saw him and realized his mistake. He came to know that he was just a rat-trap peddler. The ironmaster became angry and asked him to get out of his manor house. Hope you followed. Sensational news at the church. Edla Wilmanson was so kind that she told her father that the peddler would stay with them as a guest to enjoy the day of peace. In the evening, he was served Christmas fish and porridge. The next morning, the ironmaster and his daughter went to the church for Christmas service. There they heard that an old crafter had been robbed by a man selling rat traps. They returned home and asked the valet whether the peddler was still there or left with their money and silver. Hope you followed. Peddler, a reformed person. The valet replied that the man had gone but not taken anything with him at all. On the contrary, he had left behind a little package for Miss Edla Wilmanson. She opened the package and found a small rat trap, 3 wrinkled 10-kroner notes, and also a letter to her. In the letter, he wrote that the small rat trap was a Christmas present to her from a rat, that is from peddler. He requested her to hand over the 3-kroner notes to the old crafter. He also wrote that he would have been caught in the world's rat trap if he had not been raised to the level of a captain. Kindness and hospitality shown by Edla towards him moved completely, so he signed himself as Captain Von Stale in the letter. Hope you followed. Now, look at the message behind the rat trap. In the story, the author, Selma Lagerlof, conveys a definite message. The story has a universal appeal. The essential goodness in man never dies. It may sleep for a while. It can be awakened again through understanding and love. Miss Edla Wilmanson awakens the basic goodness of the peddler. He is a transformed, noble person in the end. Hope you followed. Thank you, friends. That's all for today. But don't forget to like it, click on bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.